How to make text movable in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application. So there is a one trick you can use to move your text anywhere, but so when you type the simple text, so we can't move it, only we can use tab button to just make it left or right. Okay, for move forward we can use the tab button, so it will be move forward. If you want to make it back, then you need to click on back space. Okay, backwards button, that will become front again. But if you want to make text to move anywhere, then you can use one trick, which is text box. So what you need to do, just go to the insert, go to the text box, go to the draw text box here, just draw the text box like this. Now you can write your text, and after you write text, you just make sure the text box size fit to your text like this. Now click inside the text box and go to the shape format, go to the shape outline, and go to the no outline. Then this text box will be invisible and only text will be visible to you. Now if you want to move it anywhere, just click on it, then this text box will be visible. Now just click on any line and make sure this four dot symbol visible to you. Now just click on it and hold it, and you can move anywhere. Okay, you can see if you have image on your page and you want to make it transparent, then you need to just click again this text box, go to the shape format, just click on this option which is format shapes. You can see the more option here, just click on these shape options, go to the fill and go to the no fill, then this text box will be transparent. Now you can see, you can easily move your text anywhere in Microsoft Word page. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.